How to turn off keyboard sound and vibration while typing. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can turn off your keyboard sound and vibration while typing. So to turn off your keyboard sound and vibration while typing, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go to your mobile setting, which is on the top, and go for your mobile setting here. And after you are here, you have to scroll down and go for the additional setting. Once you are on your additional setting, you have to go for the language and input and go for the manage keyboard here. So here you can see that I have only one keyboard, and I will be tapping on that. Once you have tapped on that, go for the preference option, and here you can see the sound on key press. So you have to toggle this off, and you have to also here you have to disable your haptic feedback on key press. You have to disable that. With the help of this simple step, you can easily turn off your keyboard sound in your device. You can easily turn off your keyboard sound and vibration while typing in your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.